I'll show you how to cancel an order on DoorDash, whether you're a customer or a delivery driver. Dasher. First, let's cover how to cancel an order as a customer. Begin by opening the Google Play Store and searching for DoorDash. Ensure you have the latest version of the app by enabling Auto Update. Next, open the DoorDash app and sign in using your Google account or any other method you prefer. Once signed in, tap on Orders. Since I don't have an order to demonstrate, follow these steps. Tap View Order, then tap Help in the top right corner. Scroll down to find Cancel Order. Tap it, select a reason for cancellation, and hit Continue. Your refund will be issued to the original payment method within 3 business days, provided the order hasn't been delivered or sent out for delivery yet. For delivery drivers, Dashers, canceling an order is straightforward. Open the Dasher app and tap the question mark button in the top right corner of the screen. Select Can't do this order, provide a reason for canceling, and you'll be able to unassign the order. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.